This is the drive to work. It's still snowing. The road hasn't been cleaned as yet. No salt in the road or anything. And to make matters worse, the snow is falling on top of a snowstorm that happened earlier in the week. So you gotta be really careful, man. If you don't have four-wheel drive, it makes it even more dangerous. When the snow is covering black ice, you can't see it, and you drive on that, it makes it tricky, dangerous. Supposed to be falling for most of the day. Looks like there's a truck doing some salt in there. Yeah, man. Ooh. I'm about to hit the highway, so I'm gonna put down this camera. But that's the way it is here, man. You gotta deal with it. So, if you're dealing with this, be safe, guys. It's a white world out there. Just take it easy.